Hi, my name is Ted McGrath, and today I'm going to show you how you can build whatever DIY project you want without spending days or months looking for a plan or spending a fortune hiring someone to do it for you. It might sound crazy, but you'll see for yourself how you can build anything out of wood easily without a large workshop or expensive tools. In just a few short minutes, you'll get access to the world's largest collection of woodworking plans for every type of project imaginable. If you've worked on any project, you're most likely aware of the time and effort required for it, and it can get frustrating. I'm talking about times when you have to wing it or follow free plans you found online. The truth is, most plans on the internet and magazines are garbage. Here's why. Most of the plans are not detailed enough. They have missing steps or inaccurate measurements, and the pictures don't match what they're telling you. Their instructions leave out vital information, assuming that you are experienced enough to fill in the blanks. Even worse, many plans from magazines assume you're a master craftsman with access to expensive tools. No wonder woodworking seems so hard. The truth is, I have spent lots of time and money buying magazines and plans. Most of them just left me with more questions than answers. I decided to change all that. So, to solve the problem, I've spent the last 20 years putting together a resource that is unlike anything you've ever seen before. It is my personal library of over 16,000 plans for every project you can imagine. There are thousands of projects in this package, years of work, all compiled into the single largest woodworking database in the world. Plans that have been used for years to build thousands of dazzling projects easily without fancy woodworking skills or high-dollar tools. And today, I want to share this resource with you. I present to you Ted's Woodworking, the largest woodworking resource in the world with over 16,000 step-by-step done-for-you plans. You'll get quick access to any project in the database and choose from thousands of designs and types when a need for a specific project arises. With thousands of designs, you get access to unique ideas and instructions to build the type of projects you want to build. There are plans from large furniture to small crafts, outdoor projects to toys, and everything in between. But more importantly, each plan consists of 5 critical elements that will make projects as easy as building Lego bricks. A complete material, cut, and tools list. You get the exact materials, tools, and cutting lists for every project. You will be able to buy exact amounts, which means you'll avoid multiple trips to the store and avoid spending money on the wrong materials or the wrong quantity. Detailed, hold-you-by-your-hand instructions that guide you from start to finish, so you'll never be left guessing on what to do next. 3-dimensional diagrams of each step, including the finished project and exploded views so no detail is left out. This makes the most challenging project a walk in the park. High-quality photos or videos. These are important visual elements that walk you through a project step by step. See details of every angle, every corner, and every joint. When details are this clear, your project builds itself. All the pieces just click into place. Time and difficulty. By knowing how much time a project will take to complete, as well as the difficulty level, you can evaluate if the project is suited to your needs and skill. Once you have a 5-element plan, it would be like having a master craftsman by your side, guiding you through the entire project. And even better, you'll get thousands of plans that cover all levels of skill and competence. Whether you're a complete beginner, an amateur woodworker with hand tools, or a seasoned pro, you'll find thousands of projects that will suit your level. With over 16,000 plans, you'll find a plan for every project you desire. Now, the price of the Ted's Woodworking package, sold by itself, is valued at $197. However, just for watching this presentation today, I have a much better deal coming your way. I'd like to give you, free of charge, these value-add bonuses to help you with your projects. First, you'll get the award-winning DWG and CAD Plan Viewer. With this, you don't have to pay for the high-priced CAD software. This will allow you to edit, modify, or even create your own plans. It's normally valued at $47. Yours free today. Second, you'll get full access to over 150 premium woodworking video lessons covering a wide selection of topics, all hosted by professional woodworkers. Get access to my extensive collection of detailed video tutorials and learn techniques and tips that the professionals use in their workshops. This will soon be sold separately with the price tag of $77, but today it's yours, absolutely free. Third, you're going to get a book entitled How to Start a Woodworking Business. I will give you a step-by-step guide on how to make money selling your custom woodwork from home. With this guide, you'll learn how to start quickly and operate successfully. Learn how to turn your passion into profits. And finally, you're also getting a complete collection of online woodworking guides with over 200 pages of woodworking tips and tricks with detailed drawings, diagrams, and photos. Think of this as the foundation for your woodworking plans. There's no fluff here. It's 200 pages of solid, step-by-step and straightforward advice that sets you up for your projects. This is valued at $37. Yours free when you order today. Now you can see why the Ted's Woodworking package is valued at $197. Even without the bonuses, this is a steal. And if you bought the bonuses by themselves, your total investment today would be over $380. However, just for watching this presentation today, you can get the full Ted's Woodworking package with over 16,000 plans for all types of projects, plus all the bonuses and everything else for just a small one-time investment of just $67. To get started,
click the link in the description below this video or go to woodplans.club right now.
This button will take you to a secure checkout page which looks like this. You can enter your basic information. Then on the next page, you'll gain instant access to everything inside Ted's Woodworking. Plus, to make this a no-brainer decision for you, I'm also going to come out of my own pocket and give you a full 60-day love it or shove it triple guarantee. Just try Ted's Woodworking for 60 days. If you can't find the plan you are looking for, if you don't complete your projects easier and faster than before, or even if you don't like the font I use in the plans, it doesn't matter. I'll gladly refund every penny. No questions asked, no hassles, and no hard feelings. You have absolutely no risk at all. You have a full 60 days to try all the plans, and you can begin building any project you want within minutes from now. Not just that, if you act now before this presentation ends, I'll toss in this one-of-a-kind super bonus worth over $97. You will get 1 full year of personal email coaching from me. Yes, that's right. Think of it as a private coaching program with a master woodworker. You can contact me anytime. Ask me whatever you want, whenever you want, 24/7 for 1 full year. Listen, I'm here for you every single step of the way, so I'll be there for all of the help that you need in your project. In fact, this normally goes for $97, and I was going to sell this as a special add-on to anybody who bought my package. But as a thank you for watching this presentation, I'm giving it to you for free. And that brings your total value to over $400. Yet, today, if you act now, it's all yours for just 1 single payment of only $67.
Click the link in the description below this video or go to woodplans.club to lock in your discounted price now.